Hey fellow YouTubers, today we're going to make us a sitting scarecrow. Got one of my old hats, one of my old shirts, pants, some old boots. Got an old chair here, we just can't seem to patch it anymore. I sat in it the other day and, well, thought I was on a bucking bull there for a minute, so we ain't going to mess that no more. We got some wire, some wire cutters. We got to find something to stuff the clothes with for a body, to make the body, and we got an old punching bag over here. We'll probably just cut it open or unzip it and take the stuffing out of it and stuff the clothes with it and see if we can make us some kind of sitting scarecrow to, I guess, to sit and scare something. Stay tuned for the sitting scarecrow. Alright, a couple of steps we got done here on our sitting scarecrow. We got this boot wired up here, one to hold it, and we'll probably leave it there. Of course, we're going to cut this wire down. We're not going to leave it long like this. And just so you can see, we took a box cutter, razor blade, made a slit in the boot here, one over here, and shoved this wire through there, and you had to get wired to the chair. Over here on the end of the pants, we got these wire clothes, and of course we stuffed the pants leg or whatever, and then this part will go inside of the boot and go down in here inside the boot. And then the shirt over here, we got it you know, buttoned up right now. Of course it ain't stuffed or anything, but we got it buttoned up, and we'll be stuffing that shortly. But right now, here we go. We're working on our sitting scarecrow, homemade. Now we got both boots tied to the chair, got both legs done, got that bag cut open. It's time to start stuffing. Well, there you go. Now you can see what's inside of a punching bag, what's inside our scarecrow. Got his legs pretty much stuffed, and if you didn't know, sandbags come in these things, if you didn't know that. We got same thing with the shirt sleeves. Tie them off like the bottom of the pants legs. Had to unbutton him a couple of buttons here so we can stuff the arms. And we just about got him ready to start sitting up. Oh, here we go. Got a stuffed body. Had there was a camouflage shirt and all the clothes, and kind of put that in there in case we want to undo a button or something later and whatnot. But his arms are stuffed, and that half or third of that heavy bag is in there. Legs, we wrapped a wire around right here. You see it right there. Wrap that wire around there. Now remember, you do any of these things we do, you're doing it at your own risk or whatever. But you know, keep in mind, don't stick yourself in the eye if you're bending over or walking around these things. Cut the ends off. When you cut the ends off, be careful they don't fly and hit you. You don't have to use wire. You can use zip ties, rope, whatever. You know, that'd probably been a good thing. We'd add a piece of rope up here, use it like a drawstring, pull all them belt loops together, but we didn't. But there you go. Almost finished. Had this volleyball laying around, wrapped some wire around it, left it long because I ain't real sure how that's going to work. That's going to be the head right there. Somehow we got to get this hat on there, and somehow on top of this fella sitting here headless. Well, had a piece of PVC pipe shoved up in there, back down here, and punched a hole in the collar with the wire there and tied it on. We'll do the same thing on the other side over there. I think we just about got him. Found an empty bottle of something or another that got left over here. I think that's Southern Comfort, and I guess make him look like an old wino. I guess he'll be Franklin Southern sitting crow. I don't know. Well, here he is. Franklin Comfort sitting crow, or sitting scarecrow or something.